one bedroom apartment. So this is the front pouch. Yeah, it's not been cleaned because it's still very brand new. Nobody has lived in here before. We have good security door here. So this is the living area. This is the living area. This is the living room. This it is very big. Well, the living area is divided. We have POP, and the living area is divided into two sections. Like this other section now can be used for the dining area. This can be the dining area. Oh, lest I forget, you have prepaid meter already installed. So visitors bathroom, visitors toilet. You have the visitors toilet. This is the living area. Then you have the kitchen. We have the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Borehole water. You have cabinets up and down. Then you have the bedroom, very massive bedroom. POP everywhere. You have the bedroom, very massive bedroom, and we have a massive wardrobe there. You have the bedroom. Then we have this pantry or storeroom. I used to store whatever you want to store in this room. So that's for that. Contact us for this apartment. Contact us for this apartment. There's ample space in the compound for up to 8 cars. 8 cars or more.